Hi all, welcome back to part 9 of this Selenium hybrid framework series. In the previous video, we implemented listeners and saw how after execution we get customized logs. At the end, we also discussed about need for screenshots in our testing process. In this video, we will see how to capture screenshots. And as all of you know, screenshots may be required at different stages, sometimes for each test case executed or sometimes during failure as an evidence. So let us begin implementing it. We will be writing two methods in our base class. One method will be to capture the screenshot and the other method will be to name our screenshot along with test case name and the date time stamp, so that for each execution we will get a unique screenshot name. So without wasting much time, let us start. And here we will be going to base class, and here I am going to create these methods. So I will name my method as public void and capture screenshot, and so I will be capturing this method from our listener. So whenever our test case fails or whenever after our test case runs successfully, I will be calling this screenshot method, and so I should know for which test case it is. So I will be passing test case name as a parameter. So here I'm going to take a parameter. Where is my base class? Yeah, so here I am going to take a parameter as my test case name. So it will be string t case name. Okay, so this will be my okay. Now I will be using text screenshot interface. So text screenshot, and I would say ts is equal to and what I will be doing is I will convert my WebDriver object to text screenshot. So here I will write driver, and here I will write this text screenshot. Okay, let me quickly import it. And so now I will be writing source. So file is source is equal to, and here I will be writing this get screenshot as, and output type will be the type of output that we require, and it will be a file. So output type dot file. Okay, and then I will be giving my target. So in the target, let me first quickly import this file, and I will import the file. Okay, and then there will be a target file. Target is equal to new file, and see here I will mention the location along with the name of the screenshot. So what I am going to do here, I will quickly create one folder and I will name it as screenshots. Okay, so I have created one screenshots folder in my project, and I will use that folder. So dot screenshots, and then I will name my screenshot with respect to this test case name. Along with that, as I mentioned, I will be using so hyphen, and I will be using one get date time string. This will be the method that I will be using to capture the date format what I require, and then I will be giving .png. So see what happens here is, under my screenshots folder I will save my screenshots and I will name it as test case name hyphen date time current date time .png, right? And then finally I will need to copy my screenshot to my location. So what I will do is file utils dot copy files, and then it will be my source and target. So this is how my method looks like, and then I want to write the method to capture the date time. So here I will write that method public void, sorry it's not void, my bad, it's going to be string because it will be returning a string. Okay, and then here it will be calendar cal is equal to calendar dot get instance. Okay, and then I will use simple date format. SF is equal to new simple date format, and see here what I require is, I require the format in which I want my date to be returned, and it's going to be ddmmyyyy underscore hhmmss. So date, month, day, month, year, and hours, minute, seconds is the format that I want. And let me import it, and then I will return the date time. So this SF dot format, and I will write cal dot get time. Okay, so this will return the value, and now here it is giving some error, so I will surround it with try catch, and here I will write exception E, and let me quickly write it here, this out, and error, and I will write E dot get message. So this is it, that's it from the code perspective for these two methods. And now, as I mentioned, I will be calling these from my listeners. So next part will be into listeners, and so as I have defined those methods in base class, I will extend base class, extends base class. And now what I am going to do, let me quickly import base class. Okay, and now what I will do, so this is my method, so capture screenshot is my method, and what I will do in here, so let's see, I want to capture the screenshot on success. So on success I will call it, and at the same time I will give this particular name, pass the test case name. Along with that, say I want to concatenate it with underscore success, right? So this is how I am going to call this method. And now let us quickly execute our program and see whether after the execution we get the screenshot or not. The screenshot should be stored in the screenshots folder. So I will execute my test, run as TestNG suite. It will execute my test but we are more interested in seeing how it shows the screenshot. So test case is run successfully, and now let me quickly refresh this, and here you can see in screenshots we have this test login and success. Remember, we had given this along with test case name underscore success, so that name is there, and this is the date time that it captured at the time of execution. So how it will be at the time of failure? So let us quickly go to our failure case, and I will copy this same here in test case failure, and what I will do here, I will simply write as a failure or failed. Okay, failure, let me give failure, and so for this I will need to fail my test. So I will give to login Java, and inside login Java I will change the property here from label to label 1, products label to products label 1, so it will not get the element required and the test case should fail. So let us see how it captures that screenshot. So I will quickly execute my test case, run as, sorry, here from TestNG XML, run as TestNG suit, and it will start the execution. Again, here we will be interested in seeing how it captures the failed case screenshot. So it's taking some time, could be a network issue. And here it has logged in and it has failed. So I think more than failure, it is because of maybe the synchronization. So let us quickly refresh, and here you can see the test login is failed. Okay, so I have not yet checked why it failed, but what we were interested in seeing the failure screenshot. So after the test case failed, it has captured the screenshot. So this is how basically we can capture the screenshots and integrate that with different methods in listeners. So this was the topic that we wanted to cover in this particular video. Now in the next video we will see how to generate the reports, and so that will be our next video portion to capture the extent report. So how to generate extent report and everything in detail we will be covering. So do watch this series, and bye for now. Thank you.